Hello guys, welcome to our channel Digibotz Learner. Today I'm going to show you how to install themes and plugins related to the themes. So we have logged into our dashboard, yeah, which we created before, wonderful blocks, yeah. Let's see how the sites look. Yeah, this is how it looks. Done. Nothing is there. So let's go to our dashboard now. Okay, let me go to the plugins section and this it's not useful for us. Let's remove. So removing these things, what happen is it gives you free space in your website. So this plug theme is not, we are not going to use it. And this theme we're not going to use. Okay, remove this. Let's use this theme and go to the updates and update this theme before starting the process. Yes, done. Wonderful. Ready? Now let's go to the dashboard and appearance, themes. Yeah, add new and on search bar use Astra. Yes, go ahead and install this. It take a few minutes, a few seconds, not minutes. It won't take a long time. Yeah, it's installed. Once after installing this one, we have to activate. Yeah. Oh, yes, wonderful. The theme is activated. Here you can see the message, yeah. Thank you for installing Astra. Do you know Astra comes with a dozens of ready-to-use starter theme templates. Install the starter template plugin to get started. So let's go ahead and do that for now. Click on Get Start. So this will activate a few plugins and themes inside the Astra. We'll check everything now. Here. So we have to select the default page builder now. So we're gonna use the Astra comes with the four page builders. One is Elementor, and another one is Paver Builder and Gutenberg and Breezy. So most probably Elementor is useful and is easy to use. So we have to select Elementor. Yes, done. So now we have a lot of options here to select a lot of themes. Sorry, not options, a lot of themes here. So which we have to select. So basically, let me show you something. The agency in the above is we have to pay for that. Okay. Instead of that, we go to this filter and select the free. Yes, done. We got free. A lot of themes here. I'm seriously confused which to choose. We have labs and moreover we have an option for e-commerce site and we have a freelancing blog like portfolio we can create our own. Yeah, we have a restaurant site, something online cooking courses. Yeah, so let me choose this one. Here we go. So let me choose it's up to you which one you want. It depends upon you. So we can preview the how it looks. Yeah. Yes, I'm gonna make my own block. So I'm gonna use this one. So you have to click on import complete site and that's all. We haven't imported any sites previously, so we don't need to check this one. So click on import. It take a couple of minutes, like importing Elementor plugin, so on. So all the plugin which is related to this template, it will install all the plugins and everything will get activated automatically. We no need to do anything. You can see that Elementor header and footer blocks. Yeah, WP form lights and WP form. The content is getting imported now. Yeah, taking a couple of minutes. Like couple of minutes in the sense, yeah, minute or two. That's all. Yes, here we go. We have our option to view our site. The symbol means it open up in a new window. Let's click and open. Yeah, wonderful. Oh, great. Hello, I'm Brain, freelancing copywriter. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Here, good. Successfully imported a theme. Yes, that's good. Here we have a menu, a home, work, testimonial, contact. We have our pages. According to that contact page, we have a testimonial page. Okay, we have a work page. What are the work we have done? Like instead of the like work, instead of saying work, this one is a blog page. Okay, yeah. Okay, guys, we have done a great work today. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and it would have been useful for you guys. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys would have found this video useful for your daily purpose and have fun by subscribing our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. I hope you guys have already done that. Thank you guys. Have fun.